Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode. Tonight we're looking at Quantumscape stock. So of course, in this one we are having a quick look at how the stock has been moving, what I think of the stock and what I would do regarding the stock. If you guys do like this video, please do let me know, because then I will do it more in-depth view on the video and on the stock, telling you guys what I think for this company in the long term, giving you some of the insights and what the company does and whatnot. So of course that will be in another episode, but in this one we are looking solely at how the stock has been moving. If that sounds like a good plan for an episode, please do leave a like and subscribe. We are trying to smash past that goal of 2,000 subscribers. With your help, I know that we can do it. So thank you for all the support so far. Let's just jump straight into this one. Right then, so if we have a quick look at how the stock has been moving over the past month, we started off the month on $14.14 exactly and finished up the month on about $67. That's obviously according to right now. So in the last 30 days, we're up 375%. You guys don't even need me to explain to you how huge that is. And now it looks like we might be seeing a big sell-off in the stock's value. Of course, if we move into a 5-day chart, we can see that we are down ever so slightly from those all-time highs. And I think that's not a bad thing at all. Obviously, with the stock price having shot up so high, it is expected to come down somewhat at some point. Now, obviously, this merger has been complete, and I guess a lot of people are happy with Quantumscape as a company and what they do. Like I said, we will have another look into that, at what they actually do in another episode, but just to sum it up for you guys, I think they are working on electric vehicles. I think one of their big things that they are doing is batteries for electric vehicles. Again, I do believe this is quite a good business model. I think it's quite a good market to get into because, in my opinion, I think this market is quite early in its life cycle, in the sense that, there are not too many established battery makers. I mean, if we think of electric vehicles, even if we think of electric vehicles or traditional vehicles, there are so many different brands which you can think of off the name of your head. But when we think of electric batteries, or even if you think of batteries in general, there are battery companies that you can name. But if you think about electric vehicle batteries, that's when it becomes a bit more scarce. You can't really name that many electric vehicle battery companies. I think that is where this company could find its advantage, obviously, because, not a lot of companies in this market sector are too well established, and I think that is why the stock price has shot up so high. They are quite a decent company, and I think the stock price is kind of at its right value. Obviously, with that merger being complete, it is bound that the stock price is going to hit where it is meant to hit eventually, and it's just happened quite quickly. So of course, not necessarily a bad thing. For the long term, I do consider this one to be a buy, and I don't think that this sell-off does really mean too much at all. I would definitely wait for it to be over before I looked at buying the stock, but if you guys do enjoy, please do let me know, and I will make an update so we can keep updated on the stock as to where the price does go in the future. So thank you for the view. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye until then.